Hi, Assalamualaikum. I hope you have an amazing day today. So, before we start talking about our group project, let's talk about us. This is Firdaus. He is our group leader. And then Danish as our designer. And don't forget about Farizman as our researcher. And the only girl in this group is me, Farha Amira, as they are summarizer. So, without wasting any time, let's talk about our group project, which is Mini CCUS Technology.
Next, let's talk about our project, Mini CCUS Technology. As you can see in the picture, it is designed as a street lamp, so it can be placed beside the roads, which will be able to capture more carbon dioxide and capturing the gas will be more efficiently. Next, let's go to how does the machines work. As we know, vehicles will release carbon dioxide into the surrounding, so the machines will absorb the carbon dioxide using the vacuum concept. Then, the carbon dioxide that captured will be filtered before go into the carbon dioxide tank, which is under the ground. Next, let's talk about the main spots where we will put our mini CCUS. There are three main spots we have identified, which is crowded traffic, agricultural areas, and the industrial areas.
Our main problem is carbon dioxide emission that was caused by the burning of oil and gas. Carbon dioxide can cause global warming to the earth. In this 21st century, we use hybrid car, solar power, and forestry to overcome this problem. But other solution for this case is to use bacterium E. coli and CCUS technology. We choose CCUS technology as our final solution for this case. CCUS technology is a lot more efficient compared to the E. coli bacterium. CCUS technology can convert CO2 into fuel and generate additional power such as electric. The only advantage for this is the height is quite a lot compared to the E. coli bacterium.
It's me again. Let's rewatch this video. Enjoy!
As you can see, the current CCUS is only available in mega size to reduce carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Due to the size, we have modified the CCUS machine into smaller size to become more suitable to be used in targeted location in Malaysia. There are a lot of pros and cons of the current CCUS and mini CCUS. First, let's go to current CCUS. For the pros, it will be very efficient and produce more fuel. For the cons, it needs a lot of space and high cost. For the mini, the pros will be low cost, very efficient and less space needed. And the cons will be produce less fuel. Our target location will be places with frequent traffic congestions, like highways and roadside, with the main focus in the urban areas, because 70% of the carbon dioxide emissions come from vehicles and factories. Next, let's talk about how does the machines work. First, the air is drawn into the capture machine, and then inside the machine, the carbon dioxide binds chemically to a filter, Once the filter is saturated, it closes off and heated to 100 degrees Celsius. And then, the carbon dioxide will be released into piping system to the storage system.
Gases released by vehicles will be sucked into the CCUS. The carbon dioxide present will be filtered and will travel down into the piping system. The rest will travel back out of the CCUS. The carbon dioxide then will stored in a carbon dioxide tank underground. After a set amount of period, depending on the capacity of the tank, the stored carbon dioxide will travel to a nearby factory to be used in an optimal manner.
The main component in the CCUS machine is the solar panel and the carbon dioxide filter, while in the storage tank, the carbon dioxide tank, it consists of a pressure sensor to detect the amount of carbon dioxide in the storage tank. Okay, so the images below shows our AR model of the mini CCUS technology. On the right hand side is the full model itself, and on the left hand side is the images for the targeted locations of where we're putting our mini CCUS technology. So here are 5 of the images. You can see so all of the piping system is underground, connected to the carbon dioxide tank, and then it is lastly connected to a nearby factory so that it can be used for extra fuel and generates electricity. While the solar panel on top of the street lamp is to generate power for the machine itself.